Oh, I got a call. I just got a really good call. The package is here. Hit that intro.
Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you.
So welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. I am really excited and really happy. And I'm going to show you reasons why we finally got another part to the C63. So let's jump. Let's get to this box. All right, guys. Yes, this is the box. This is the box. All right. So you guys probably never seen this logo before. This is Victory Road Performance. They mainly make parts for the German cars, especially for the Mercedes C63 177 and 178. So if you guys want to check them out, put a link below to their website. Also, they will be an affiliate through this video. Yes. So I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys. I bought what's in this box on my own because I said, hey, listen, there's different stuff out there for this platform and they were more affordable because, you know, I got to keep things affordable, not cheap, but affordable, because nothing in the German community is cheap. All right, got to keep it 100. Now, within that same week, I got contacted from Victory Road Performance, and they stated, hey, Boost, we like your videos. We see that you got a C63. Would you like to work with each other? And I said, hey, I already purchased something from you guys. So they sit there and say, hey, listen, we're going to send you a care package, which is going to be a second box, and we'll see what we can do from there. And you know what? Shout out to Victory Road Performance. And once again, shout out to the Boost in Motion family for always banging with your boy Boost, because you know what? I remember 2-3 years ago, it was hard to really get this stuff up and running. And now as I continue to grow, smaller companies also, or just as small as me, want to continue and put their companies out there, and they want to be able to compete. So guys, go check out Victory Road Performance website if you do have a Mercedes, and see what performance parts that they have there. Anyways, let's go. Let's see what's in this box. Ding. All right, guys, so let's start taking it apart. Well, you already know what it is. You see two Canon intakes, so you guys already kind of know what we're going to here. So it's two huge Canon intakes. They're pretty large boxes. Let's put those to a side. All right. Now we got also couplings here with hoses, well, fittings for hoses and or nipples. All right, let's put those to a side. Okay. Now we got a box here. Feels like bands, probably straps and or bands in here, and whatever small things I need. And finally, we got two big U-shaped pipes. So let's take a look at this briefly. We got two U-shaped pipes. Yes, guys, we have intakes. So let me fast forward this. Wait, hold on. I want to shout out. I think we might have a little. Let me see if that's the receipt here. Yeah, that's the receipt and a sticker from them. Shout out to you guys. So let me just start cleaning up this box, and let me just show you guys how these parts look. All right, guys, so these are the intakes, and yes, guys, they are freaking big. Now, let me quickly explain why I actually went with intakes for the Mercedes C63 M177. This could also apply to the M178. Also to my Boost in Motion family, they know that I'm part of the Infiniti crowd, and I'm either opposed or with intakes in that platform. Well, with the M177 platform, the stock turbos sit on top of the motor. Now, the inlets of the turbos are really small. I think they're like 60 millimeter, which is about almost 2.5 inch or something like that. They're not 3-inch openings for those turbo inlets. So it's been proven in this platform already that the stock air intake system, depending on how much PSI you're trying to raise the boost to, the stock air intake system is actually a choking point. Repeat, a choking point. There's something called CFM of air. I believe that's cubic feet per minute. That's how much air the turbos can suck in per minute. So the stock air intake system is literally designed like an S. I'll show you guys in a later video on how it's designed. You can also check my JB4 video and I'll show the stock air intake system and how it's designed. So yeah, it's optimized for stock use and stock tune, but once you start modifying these cars, when you start raising the boost, there will be a choking point at a certain amount of boost pressure that you're trying to achieve. Also, when you add in a lot of bends and turns where the stock air intake system is terrible at, that also takes away from the amount of proper CFM that an intake system could take in. Also on top of that, there's only a couple of brands out there for the M177, 178 that use this type of design, a U-shaped design. Some of the more expensive systems, $3,000-$4,000, try to keep an OEM design, which is more for aesthetic looks rather than actual performance. And guys, I know Boost in Motion, I'd rather buy something for its use rather for its looks. That's just the way Boost in Motion rolls. But let me just show you a quick example. There's a tapering end. If you take a look, this is a 2.5 inch to a 3 inch tapering end. So this allows you to have the maximum amount of CFM of air when it's sucked into, an air intake system. Also, another popular modification in this platform is people usually go with upgraded turbos, and when they go with upgraded turbos, those turbos usually have larger inlets. So what this allows you to do is, if you want to use this on stock turbos and then upgrade your turbos later, you just got to change this intake coupling from the 65 to 80 to just to the 80 to 80, and it bolts right up. So that's actually a benefit of going with these type of intakes for the aftermarket systems. Also, it has a freaking huge cone, but I also think that's because honestly, under the hood you have a lot of space to add in an intake system. So you go with the largest intake system that you can if you choose to. And with their own R&D, they've seen a lot of benefits compared to other intake systems. But I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys that are watching. I'm going to keep it honest with you guys. There's a lot of other intake systems that do work for the M177, 178 platform, but you want to go something for its function and not its form and how it looks. Anyways, we're gonna go to part 2 of this video where I get the heat shielding in and a couple other components. So let's go to that part. And boom, just like that, we got some stuff in from VRP also that's supposed to go with their intakes. So shout out to them for the t-shirt. It's a size small because I want to look muscular in it. Also on top of that, they gave me a heat shield. The OEM reshield is just silver. It's not that good looking. So they actually make a replacement heat shield and you can get specific colors for it, which is super dope. Also, they sent me some stickers, keychain, tire valve stem caps, and also this is something very important. I realize not a lot of intake companies do this for the M177, 178. Because your motor's hand built, it has a little placard with the person's signature, the engine builder. You usually lose that once you go aftermarket intakes. So they actually have a little bit of a relocator, which put the placard here, and it will go over a small reservoir that's right in the middle of the engine, which is super dope. So shout out to them for sending this stuff out. Thank you, VRP, for working with your boy Boost in Motion. Guys, check the links below. I'm gonna put a link to any of my Mercedes gang, because I'm starting to grow a lot of you guys coming to the channel. Go check out their links below for any aftermarket parts for VRP, and their prices are pretty freaking good compared to other competitors such as Rentec, Eurocharge, and even WiseTech. So definitely go check them out. Outside of that, guys, you already know what to do. Hit me up at Boost in Motion on IG, Facebook, boostinmotion@gmail.com. Once again, shout out to VRP so much for working with the channel. Thank you for all the Boost in Motion families for continuing to like the videos, subscribing to the channel, and commenting below. And also, once again, I'm gonna sit there and say it. If you have companies like this supporting your boy Boost, you also gotta show their support. So definitely go check out their social medias and their website below. Outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. You have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.